Hello, I'm in a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee and I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first we'll go down and there should be a lever right here that you'll pull for the hood release. You should feel a little tension. If not, check behind, make sure this cable here is attached. Nothing's really loose there. Alright, you should see now that this hood's slightly loose. In most models of vehicles, there's a release lever somewhere around here. You just have to find it. So it's, where is it? I guess it's right here, but okay, there it is. I just wasn't feeling it. So this particular one, we're going to push and lift. So push and lift. This little hydraulics working right, that'll hold it up for you. This is the hook it was hooked onto. This is that whole mechanism here, where it pushed and then lifted. It should move fairly easily. Should all be pretty in tight place though, with no debris, so you want to clean it out. Spray some WD-40 if it's real tight here. Same thing, make sure your hood's all straight, nothing's bent or out of alignment, because that'll cause issues too. But otherwise, hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.